This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 DLC is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 DLC is built on a Mercedes Benz 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.